Media and body image. I chose to do this presentation on body image because I feel like it is something that is so prevalent today. In an article that I found, it said that the media has a profound effect on people, particularly women, and the way they perceive themselves and their bodies. Thanks to television, the internet, and movies, media has a strong hold on women's personal perceptions of what beauty is supposed to be. And in these statistics, it posed a question: do you compare your body to images you see in the media? 87% of women said yes, whereas 12% said no. And for men, 65% said yes, and 36% said no. And then it says it asks the question underneath: does your body compare favorably or unfavorably to images in the media? And the majority said that it compares unfavorably. The media shows unrealistic images of what men and women are supposed to look like. It has also become very prevalent, eating disorders within the United States because of perceived body image on the internet. Obesity and eating disorders have become so common now because of false body images. And in these statistics, it shows that eating disorders affect both males and females and often strike during adolescence. So that is from watching a lot of shows and being on social media. Both magazines and television have been blamed for portraying an ideal body image, but most recently social media has taken their place. People are on social media so often, and that is where most people post things about their perfect life and the pictures that show their most perfect sides. So I really think that nowadays, because of social media, we compare our body to those that we see, those others that we see that are supposed to be perfect, or what we compare ourselves to.